Hello everyone, and welcome. This is your space to learn, grow, and improve your English in a simple and practical way. Let's begin today's episode. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Easy English Learning channel.
Hi everyone. I hope you are having a wonderful day.
Today we have a very important topic for beginners.
Yes, today we will learn how to introduce yourself in English.
This is one of the first things people learn in English.
Exactly. Because when you meet new people, you need to tell them about yourself.
Don't worry if you are shy.
Yes, we will learn slowly and easily together.
And by the end of this lesson, you will feel more confident speaking English.
That sounds exciting.
Alina, do you remember your first English introduction?
Ha 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 ha. Oh yes, I was very nervous.
Really?
Yes. I forgot my own age for a few seconds.
Ha 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 ha. That happens sometimes.
I said, my age is, wait.
That's funny.
I felt embarrassed.
But mistakes are normal when learning English.
Exactly. So don't feel bad if you make mistakes.
The important thing is practice.
Yes, practice gives confidence.
Okay everyone, let's start with a very simple introduction.
Yes, very easy English.
First, say your name.
Example, hello, my name is Alina.
Or you can say, hi, I am David.
Both are correct.
Very simple.
Now let's practice slowly.
Hello.
My name is Alina.
Great.
Hi.
I am David.
Perfect.
Now let's learn how to talk about age.
Yes, this is very common.
You can say, I am 20 years old.
Or, I am 18 years old.
Very easy structure.
Remember, use I am.
Exactly.
David, can I ask your age?
Ha 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 ha. Okay, I am 25 years old.
Nice.
What about you?
I am 22 years old.
Perfect English. Now let's learn how to talk about country.
This is important when meeting new people.
You can say, I am from Pakistan.
Or, I am from Turkey.
Very simple.
Example, I am from Italy.
Good.
David, where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Oh, really? That's nice.
What about you?
I am from Pakistan.
Wonderful.
Now let's talk about jobs.
Good idea.
You can say, I am a student.
Or I am a teacher.
I am a doctor.
I work in a shop.
Very useful sentences.
Alina, what do you do?
I am a student.
Nice.
And you?
I am an English teacher.
That's great.
Now let's learn hobbies.
Oh, hobbies are fun.
Yes, hobbies are activities you enjoy.
Example, I like reading books.
Or, I like playing football.
I enjoy cooking.
I love listening to music.
David, what is your hobby?
I like traveling and reading books.
Nice hobbies.
What about you?
I love watching movies and cooking.
Very nice.
Sometimes people ask, tell me about yourself.
Yes, that question is very common.
At school, work, or interviews.
Don't panic.
Just speak slowly.
Let's make a simple, full introduction.
Okay.
Hello, my name is David.
I am 25 years old.
I am from Canada.
I am an English teacher.
I enjoy reading books and traveling.
Wow, that sounds natural.
Yes, very simple and clear.
David, many people feel shy introducing themselves.
That's true.
Some people are afraid of making mistakes.
I understand that.
What advice do you give them?
D. Start with simple sentences.
That's a great point.
Don't try to sound perfect.
Exactly.
Speak slowly and smile.
Smiling helps a lot.
Yes, it makes you look friendly and relaxed. Now let's do a practice conversation.
Great idea.
I will start.
Okay.
Hello, my name is David. What is your name?
Hi, David. My name is Alina.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Pakistan. What about you?
I am from Canada.
What do you do?
I am an English teacher.
That's interesting.
Thank you.
Wow, that conversation sounds very real.
Yes. This is how many people speak in real life.
David, can we do a funny introduction?
Ah, sure.
Okay.
Hello, my name is David.
Hi, David. I am Alina.
What do you like?
I like reading books.
Wow, me too.
Maybe we are best friends now.
Ha 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 ha, maybe.
English conversations can be fun.
Exactly. Now let's learn useful phrases.
Yes, these phrases are very important.
Phrase 1. Nice to meet you.
People say this when meeting someone for the first time.
Phrase 2. What do you do?
This means asking about someone's job.
Phrase 3. Where are you from?
Asking about country or city.
Phrase 4. Tell me about yourself.
Common in interviews and meetings.
Practice these phrases every day.
Yes, repetition helps memory.
Let's talk about pronunciation.
Good idea.
Say, my name is.
Slowly and clearly.
Nice to meet you.
Don't speak too fast.
Beginners should speak slowly.
Slow English is easier to understand.
Exactly.
David, what mistakes do beginners make?
One common mistake is speaking too fast.
Oh, really?
Yes, they become nervous.
I understand that.
Another mistake is using very difficult words.
Simple English is better.
Exactly.
Short sentences are easier.
And more natural too.
I remember when I introduced myself in English for the first time.
How did you feel?
Very scared.
Really?
Yes, my hands were shaking.
Wow.
But after practice, I became confident.
That is inspiring.
So everyone listening, don't give up.
Yes, confidence grows slowly. Let's do one final full introduction example.
Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is David.
I am 25 years old.
I am from Canada.
I work as an English teacher.
I enjoy reading books, traveling, and listening to music.
Nice to meet you all.
Perfect.
Very simple and natural.
Okay everyone, let's review today's key phrases.
Phrase 1, my name is.
Phrase 2, I am from.
Phrase 3, I am a student.
Phrase 4, nice to meet you.
Phrase 5, I like.
Practice these every day.
Speak slowly and clearly.
And don't fear mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Before we finish, we have a small challenge for you.
Yes.
Write your introduction in the comments.
Tell us your name, country, and hobby.
We would love to read your comments.
And don't forget to like this video.
Subscribe for more easy English lessons.
And share this video with your friends.
Keep practicing English every day.
Yes, you can do it.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye everyone.